how to fix your Shopify checkout. This can be something like your checkout button being unresponsive, and this can be harmful because it can disrupt your sales and even harm your reputation. So it can be a very simple fix, or it could be something more complex which requires a little bit more work, but I'm going to show you what you can do. The most basic thing you can try is clearing your browser cache. This oftentimes can solve the problem very easily, but if it doesn't work, you might want to check some other factors like the theme and code modifications, for example. You might want to check these after that, and if that doesn't work, you can try the third-party apps, which means you should uninstall every app you've recently downloaded after you notice some issues arising after you've downloaded a specific app. You might want to uninstall and then try again. This might solve the problem. And also something else it could be is sometimes there's a miscommunication between Shopify and your payment processor. For example, PayPal here. This can regularly, your checkout method gateway configuration is the way to go. You should check this one. You should always regularly check up on it and make test runs to see if it's working properly, because this might be one of the main reasons it's and one of the more complex reasons it's not working. So if you figure that out, I think it should be everything should be all right. So this is how you fix the Shopify checkout. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.